Bonjour aux étudiants de la 9e classe et bienvenue à votre 3e leçon qui s'appelle La santé. Hello students of class 9, welcome to this video which explains the third lesson of your French textbook which is called Health. La santé is health. So before we actually go on to the lesson, let's revise some of the parts of the body that we've learned. Les parties du corps are the parts of the body. So I'm going anti-clockwise. La tête is the head, le cou, the neck, le coude, elbow, la main, the hand, les doigts, fingers, singular would be le doigt. The knee is le genou, le pied, foot, la jambe is the leg, le ventre is the stomach or the belly, le bras is the arm, l'épaule is the shoulder, et le visage is the face. Now let's look at some parts of the face itself, which is les cheveux is the hair. Now the hair is always written in plural. Les yeux are the eyes. Singular would be O-E-I-L. The nose is le nez. The mouth is la bouche. And the ear is l'oreille. These are the parts of the body that you need to know in the 9th standard. Now as we begin with the reading of this lesson, you need to know that this is a conversation on the telephone between two school friends, Pierre, who is sick, and Nadine, who is calling up to inquire about his health since he has missed a few days at school. Allô Nadine? So Pierre says hello once he picks up the phone. Pierre, mais comment ça va? On a dit que tu n'allais pas bien. Pierre, but how are you? How's it going? People are saying that you were not well. Oui, j'ai attrapé un rhume avant-hier. J'ai joué au foot sous la pluie toute la journée de dimanche. Yes, I caught a cold day before yesterday. Now you know hier is yesterday, avant-hier becomes day before yesterday. Attraper is to catch. J'ai joué au foot sous la pluie. I played football under the rain. La pluie is rain. The entire day of Sunday. You have done the days of the week. Dimanche is Sunday. So Nadine says toute la journée, tu es fou. The entire day, what a fool you are. Être fou is to be a fool. Le soir, j'avais de la fièvre, j'avais mal aux jambes et à la gorge. Je toussais horriblement. So Pierre is describing his sickness. In the evening, I had a fever. I had pain in my legs and in my throat. Jambe is the leg, gorge is the throat. Je toussais horriblement. I was coughing horribly. Tousser, T-O-U-S-S-E-R, is an ER verb here to cough, which has been conjugated for you in the imparfait. Alors, tes parents t'ont appelé le médecin? So, did your parents call the doctor? Nadine is asking him, what happened when he fell sick? Did his parents call the doctor? Bien sûr, le médecin est arrivé tout de suite. Il m'a tâté le pouls et il a pris la température. Puis il a écrit une ordonnance et il m'a demandé de rester au lit pendant 2 jours. So yes, of course, the doctor arrived immediately. Tout de suite, immediately. He took the pulse. Tâter le pouls is to take the pulse. Il a pris la température and he took the temperature as well. Then he wrote a prescription. Écrire une ordonnance is to write a prescription. And he asked me to stay in bed for 2 days. C'est sûr que tu n'étais pas content de rester à la maison. Au contraire, j'étais fatigué et faible. J'étais content de me reposer. J'ai lu des bandes dessinées, j'ai regardé la télé. Maman a préparé une tisane chaude. C'était fortifiant. So Nadine says, I am sure that you were not happy to stay at home, probably because Pierre was the type who liked to play outside. So Pierre says absolutely the opposite. On the contrary, I was weak and tired. I was happy to rest myself. Me reposer is to take rest. I read comic books. Bande dessinée are comics. I watched television. My mother prepared a herbal tea which was very hot and strengthening. Tisane is a herbal tea like your green teas which are used when people are which are given to people who are sick, suffering from colds and coughs. So it was very strengthening, fortifying. Alors, tu vas venir à l'école demain? Mais oui, je suis guéri maintenant. Je vais beaucoup mieux. So Nadine asks him, are you going to come to school tomorrow? Tu vas venir. This is the future proche. Demain is tomorrow. So Pierre says, yes, I am cured now, or I am healed now. Guéri is cured. Je vais beaucoup mieux. Aller mieux is to feel better. So I am feeling a lot better. Ainsi, on termine cette leçon. J'espère que tu as bien compris cette unité. Merci beaucoup à tous. So we wrap up this video here. I hope you've understood this lesson well as the vocab on parts of the body. Thank you and take care.